Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. This is sort of like a public service announcement, I suppose. This is my GLK 350 Mercedes, and it had a flat tire yesterday. So my wife was driving the car, so she called a service guy, and he used this inflator and that space saver spare tire to put on the car and put the flat in the trunk and then take it to Costco to get it repaired. It was a repairable puncture, but here's the thing. I found out later on, this is the next day, and I'm going over what the work was done. And this space saver tire has to be inflated to be used. Now, on the other side of this tire, you can't see it, so this is a spare one that I happen to have in my garage. The space saver spare has a valve stem, and the valve stem has a valve core. This is the core. This goes inside that hole there, screws in, and that's what holds the air in. It's got a little thing, like a needle-like thing, that gets depressed when you put the air chuck on there to fill it up, and then when it releases, it holds the air in there. Well, long story short, when Costco did the repair and put all this stuff back together, the service guy who did it forgot to put the core back into the space saver spare valve stem. So what does that mean? What does it matter? Well, the next time you go to use this space saver spare, it was not going to hold air at all because it needs this little bitty piece. Let's see if I can focus it a little better. Yeah, I guess that's about as good as it's going to get. There, that's pretty good. You got to have that core in the valve stem or it ain't going to hold air, all right? So it's always good to check and go over and make sure that a service person did something right. Don't get me wrong, I love Costco, I go there all the time, but they can make mistakes. And this was one of them. And I caught it and I fixed it, so everything's going to be fine. Next time you go to use that, it'll work. But I just wanted to put this out there to you guys and gals as, like I said, kind of a public service announcement to go over and check the work when you have somebody do work, or if you don't know how to do what I'm explaining to you, have a friend who knows about cars, check it out. It's not a big deal. It's a little bit of work to take that spare out and look and make sure that the core is in there. But remember, next time you go to use it, if it hasn't got the core in there, it's not going to hold air. Okay? Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Ring the bell if you want notifications. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. And this is not just for Mercedes. This is pretty much any car that has a space saver spare. Okay? See ya. Bye.